Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Today's recipe is gonna be Amatriciana. It's a Roman recipe and therefore to make it properly we're gonna go in Rome, grab some guanciale, some tomatoes, some parmesan, and I'm gonna show you how to make my version of Amatriciana. Facciamo! First thing to do for this recipe is boiling some water. We're gonna need a good quality guanciale. Slice the guanciale in half again. Then create cubes. Place our guanciale into the pan. The pan needs to be cold. Right, nice and slow. Take your time, let the guanciale sweat a little bit in the pan. As you can see, as all the fat from the guanciale is what we want in our sauce. When it reaches this kind of color, it's time to add our tomato sauce. And our tomato sauce is basically just crushed tomato already seasoned with a touch of salt and a touch of sugar. That's it. No olive oil, no herbs. Just 3 ingredients, okay? We're gonna reduce that down quite a lot to really concentrate all the flavor into the sauce. I will add some freshly cracked pepper. While the sauce is reducing, we can start cooking our pasta. There we go. As you can see, the tomato sauce is very reduced down. You can really smell the flavor. No, you cannot smell flavors, no?
Half the taste is in the smell.
Our tomato sauce is ready. Switch off the heat completely. Usually you need Pecorino. We don't have Pecorino, so we use good quality parmesan. And some fresh basil. So obviously with the heat of the tomato, the parmesan will completely melt. Our pasta is almost cooked. We're gonna leave the pasta to rest for a little bit. And in the meanwhile, we're gonna bring up to the heat again our sauce. And just at this stage, we're gonna put a touch of pasta water into the sauce. Now for the next 2 minutes, we're gonna finish the pasta into the sauce. In that way, all the pasta will absorb all the chuch and all the tomato flavor. And you're gonna eat pasta like never before, bello. We can finally turn off the heat. Let's grab some parmesan. Leave the pasta like that for 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, take off all the things, remove the pan. After a few minutes, can you hear the noise? And it's time to plate the pasta up.
Ma veramente amore? Ci vediamo domani? Oh.
Is my favorite part, tasting time. It looks like great bowl of pasta. unfortunately, I need to dig in. Mamma mia, bra. Caccia combinata, bra. Bellissima, honestly. Please, if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the bell. See you soon and have a lovely day.